Wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and the wind will create dangerously low wind chill values. Frostbite can occur quickly and even hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. Wind chill warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Thursday. For Hancock, Wyandotte, Marion, and Morrow counties, dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 40 below zero expected. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Wind chill warning remains in effect from 1 a.m. Wednesday to 4 p.m. Thursday. For Knox County, dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 35.
What's up, y'all? It's Phil James coming back to you. Today is Tuesday, January 29th, and it's 2019. So, as of right this minute, I have a video uploading to show the drastic weather changes that take place here in Ohio and whatnot. And yesterday, it was like 40 degrees here, 40 something last night, and now we have dropped down to 8 degrees, maybe lower, because it's supposed to continue to drop until we hit negative 20 tomorrow. But check this out. Snowing again, can't see shit. This is what I'm talking about. This drastic weather changes in Ohio. Like, look at this shit. This is insane. You can't even see the field barely, or the trees that you see in all my videos out here. So I just want to keep everybody up to date on the crazy, insane weather changes that keep taking place here in Ohio, and keep you all posted. All right, Phil James, I'm out. Peace. What's up, y'all? It's Phil James. So, remember how in that one video I said East and West Coast get different types of snow and winter storms? See, here on the eastern side of the U.S., this is the kind of storms we get, okay? That's solid ice. Okay, we get nothing but solid, like, ice because it rains, and then the temperature, like I showed in the video that was uploaded today, January 29th, today, Tuesday, shows the drastic temperature changes and weather changes. This is just to show you what I'm talking about. It'll rain all day here in OH. Okay. And after it rains all day, literally just nothing but ice. This whole thing right here, look. All of this is ice. All of it. You can see where like ruts from like where tires went through. See? Just sheet of ice. So that's my point. East Coast and West Coast get totally different types of snowstorms. Here on the eastern side of America, we get this crazy rain and all this humidity. And then, with all that crazy rain and humidity, it then freezes. And then after the big freeze, you're left with solid sheets of ice as far as you can see, covered with snow.